this video we are kind of discovering that it is not necessarily true that we always have to be pointing. Sometimes, even walking backwards, we can use our heel for a little adornment. And here in this video we are doing few exercises on how potentially we can use that. So enjoy! So it was easy, but not that easy, right? Like the rhythm is picking up. Okay, so from here we have this step back with the heel pointing to the floor, right? So we have this. Good. So now we're gonna continue walking backwards, but we're gonna use that cross to drag it to the cross up front, right? So we have this, we're gonna drag it here and rebound, 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 right? So drag and essentially focus not on finishing here, but on getting out of here for the next step, right? And again, heel gonna be on the floor, toes up, in and focus not on finishing, but on getting out of here, right? Okay, so what we need this to look like? 4 steps, yeah? Step, in, step, in, step, in, step, in, right? Okay, so for now, very slowly, just focus on getting there and elevating the toes, right? Getting there, elevating the toes. So that means you cannot take this leg with you, and also you cannot push, right? So you almost rolling, right? As you stepping, you rolling. And then you let the heel come in, and immediately, like the sensation is like a rebound, right? You rebound it and take the next step. In. I'm saying in, but I really should be saying out, right? So let's focus on getting out of it, out of that, right? Out of that cross. Ready? Step out, step out, step out, step out. Yes? Okay. Step, 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 step. One more. Step, 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 step. Yes, one more. And step, 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 step. Yes, okay. One more time in line, and this time we're gonna focus on a direction of that rebound. So when you step backwards, you might be thinking that your cross is coming here and then you have to rebound it. But you also might be thinking that the cross has more of this circular motion, right? So cross and rebound. So rather than thinking flat line, think about like a little circle, and then on that circle, using that energy of that circle, you're gonna rebound to step, right? In and rebound, in and rebound. Let's do one more time. So we step, in, step, in, step, in with the direction here, yeah? But then you rebound and you take the leg out. One more. Ready? Step, rebound the leg. Step, rebound. Step, rebound. Step, rebound. Yes? Okay. we are not really gonna be walking in a straight line, so that's gonna add a little bit of a difficulty and a little bit of a different direction and different feel to it. So let's try walking backwards in circle, right? So we're gonna go back, rebound, 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 back, rebound. Okay, so I said we're gonna walk in circle, but if you are observing what I'm doing, I'm walking more of the square, right? So I'm doing 2 step, 2 step, 2 step, 2 steps, right? Now, there is an interesting change on the corner where I need to add a tiny bit of a pivot on the standing leg to change the direction. So I'm not trying to do like a smooth transition and make it look like a circle. I'm actually quite fiercely changing direction. I mean, 90 degrees, but still, right? So let's try to do that. Yeah, we're gonna go 2, 2, 2, and 2, right? Ready? And step, rebound, 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 right? Okay, so let's do the same thing. So whichever leg you started with, start again with the same leg. Ready? Step, rebound, 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 step, rebound. Yes? Okay, now start with the opposite leg. Same thing, the same direction, backwards that way, right? We're not reversing. Still backwards this way, but we're gonna start with the other leg. Ready? Step, rebound, 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 step, rebound. Yes? One more time. Same other leg, right? Ready? And step, rebound, 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 step, and rebound. Yes? Okay. So you feel the difference, right? Like it feels different when you start with one leg and you need to change direction after 2 steps, and it feels a little bit different when you start with the other leg. In our case, we're gonna do 4 steps, just 4 of these rebounds, and we want to finish somewhere there. So from the position that you are, you're gonna calculate the 4 steps. So I'm gonna have my solution. You might need to find your solution depending on what space you have, right? Okay, so let's see where we have it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. Step, 1, 2, up, step, 1, 2, up, and from here, right? So look, I'm already so close to my corner that essentially I need to change direction pretty much right away. If you have more space behind you, maybe you can do 2 steps and then change, right? But we're only doing 4. So you have a choice. Either do 1 and immediately change, right? Or you can go 1, 2, and 1, 2, right? Kind of depending how comfortably, how comfortable you are with the space that you have behind you. I'm gonna do 1 and reverse and do 3 steps coming back to the center of the room, right? Okay, so now plan it and let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. Step. 1, 2, up. Step. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step. And don't forget to subscribe.